What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm still here in Five Below, and I'm over here by the makeup. But before I show you guys the makeup and the new perfumes and colognes, I want to just show you guys some of the handbags over here. I've been receiving a lot of requests to show clothes, shoes, and bags lately. So I just kind of want to show you guys what's over here. Some of these shoes you've probably seen in past videos, but they're still here and they're still cute, and they just have so many options for the summer. And of course, nothing is more than $5, and I really love that. Okay, I've had some requests to show some hollow bags. Now this is the hollow backpack, and I think they have a little hollow crossbody, or maybe it has hollow accents. And when I say hollow, you guys, if you don't know what that means, that's holographic. Like on these shoes, this would be more of like an iridescent, but the holographic would be more of the rainbow shine. I know once back to school season starts, my store is going to have tons and tons of $5 backpack options. But for right now, they have this little area, and they also have some cute little overnight bags. I'm not seeing the hollow crossbody I was telling you guys about. It might be in another part of the store, but they have tons of slides, and you guys have heard me talk about the slides over and over again because I really do like them. I think the slides are really nice, but they do tend to run small. They also have a lot of fanny packs here. I just love this one. And they have it in the black and the rose gold, and they have some visors. And then look, you guys, they have skirts for $5. I got this one for Birdy, and I think I might get this one for her today. They also have the leopard, and they have the basic black. I believe these were just added a couple weeks ago. You guys, they have lots of bike shorts, cute active shorts. They have sports bras, and they have the crop tops. Let's see if I can untangle this one here. Oh, I don't know if I can do it. Okay, here we go. Look at this one, you guys. It feels like it's made really well. It has the cute little straps on the side. It's lightly padded, and I really like this band down here. So we have the sports bras. They also have it in this color. And then let's go around the other side, because I believe they have one more color. Oh yeah, this one I think is brand new this week. I think the sports bras are brand new, and I believe this pair of shorts is also new. And it says train harder. This is the back. I think these are shorts. Yeah, these are shorts. This says Savage. It's a little crop top. The cheetah bike shorts, the camo bike shorts. We have the pink. Again, you guys, these are all just $5. The crop top that says Beast. We have Fierce. These are the bike shorts or the active shorts. We also have them in the gray and pink camo. These ones seem a little bit longer than some of the others. And then these say Fearless. Sorry, you guys, I'm trying my best with just one hand. It kind of has the double waistband. And then we have Fierce here. And then these are definitely new. They say Savage down the side in a white. And it has sort of a little dry fit cuff right here. And then we have this Boss crop top and some just basic kind of thin bike shorts here. There are lots and lots of options. If you guys missed my last video, go ahead and click this card right here, and you guys can see all the brand new clothes, all the brand new shoes and things that I didn't show in this video. But there are a lot of new things this week, including jean shorts. Look, you guys, $5 for some jean shorts. They have another color of them. They have some new crop tops. They have some new $5 shoes. You guys definitely don't want to miss that video. Here I am in the makeup, and I'm searching for new things. And if I showed you everything every week, you guys know it would take so long, and I'd just be showing a lot of the same things. So what I really like to do is just kind of search for new items to share with you guys. They have so many palettes in here, including the Festival end cap here. This Wonder Seeker palette is new, All That Glitters, and Luna Glow. Oh, these are definitely new this week. This is the Lip Wonderland Nudes. And some of these are velvet mattes. Some of these are ultra glossies. We have lip plumpers. These are really, really pretty. I actually like those a lot. And they've also added pinks. And the pinks are so pretty. Wow. Those are really pretty, you guys. They have a lot of just really pretty products in here. And then they've added this rainbow end cap. We have some palettes here. This Choose Love palette. This is the Dream Chaser eyeshadow palette. And they have additional lippies over here. Mascaras, colorful mascaras, liquid eyeliners. So many things. Okay, let's head over to fragrances. And I say fragrances because they have fragrances for men, for women, and for kids. They have some cute little kids fragrance sets and body sprays. They have some JoJo items. But you guys know me, I am hunting for new things. I was telling you guys all about this one that I love, Disney Descendants. It smells amazing. The bottle is super cute. This might be new. Paris Lights Sensual. Okay, we haven't done it in a minute. Let's give it a sniff. Let's give it a spray. That's really pretty. They have the tester out for Daredevil, which is a Marvel scent. Let's try it. The bottle's nice. That is nice. That is really, really nice. I think Gator would actually love that. But this is the one he's been having his eye on. So I'm actually going to pick this one up for him today. Shh, don't tell him, you guys, because it's going to be a birthday present. I wanted to look at some of these storage bins because I recently set up my couponing stockpile and I recently organized it, and I'm hoping to get some storage bins for maybe some of my smaller items. But I'll come back and look at those when I'm done filming. Oh, the pandas are so cute, aren't they? So cute. Oh, I think this is new. The eye. The little USB desk fans are back this summer, or I should say back for the summer. The pillows. And don't forget, you guys, 50% off. And they also have another bin of these in the back of the store. So most of these pillows are all 50% off. Like, where else can we go and get a pillow for $2.50? Let's go ahead and check out art supplies. You guys have been requesting to see the art supplies for a couple weeks now. Let's see what we have. The fine line markers. The erasable twist up crayons, those are $5. The fabric markers for $5. I love these sketchbooks. They are so nice, you guys. They are amazing sketchbooks. The $5 set of metallic and glittered colored pencils. This is a set of 20 metallic and glitter colored pencils. This is a $2 set. These are erasable. These are metallic colored pencils for $2. This is a $5 set. Wow, we get 48 in this pack. These are glitter acrylic paints for $5. Look at these, decorate your own. 3 mini canvases on a rope. Oh, they have another one. Let's go to the moon. Nice. Okay, let's look over on the back to school supply aisle. Let's see what might be new over here. They have a lot of necessities, just $1 for 4 erasers. The $1 pens. The $1 erasers, love those. They have things like sticky notes for $1. Staplers for $4. The cute paper clips for $1. These are so cute, you guys, for just $1. They have the little $2 set here. And then, of course, down here, you have a lot of basic items like filler paper, composition books, little plastic folders, the Mead paper folders. They have scissors. Let's look at the journals, because I love their journals. Ooh, this is a new one. Dream, create, and inspire. It feels so nice. And then these cute plushy ones. The cute plushy ones. Ooh, look at the cork. This one is so unique. I really, really like this cork one. It feels so smooth and nice. We have some really pretty journals in here. Look at this one. Ooh, so pretty. We have the rainbow down here. Have a nice day. Girl power. Cactus. Dog. Unicorn. There will be unicorns. This one is nice and thick. We have Fortune Kitty, we have Manikai Nico here, and a really nice holographic. There's just a lot of things that you're like, oh, that's so cute, oh, that's so cheap, that's such a good deal. Like these, $1. $1 for these. All of these erasers. Even this kitty, she is just my favorite. I have one like this at home, I just love her. Scented gel pens for $2. That's a nice deal. Well, hey you guys, that's it for me. I'm off to film in yet another location for you guys. I hope you enjoyed coming along. If you did, show me lots of love by hitting the thumbs up button. Share with me down below in the comments. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.